The trollers want to know that you're only good because you use enhancements or fibers or whatever you call it, a lot of spray paint. You do a lot of this, sir. What is that? What is that about? Is that why you're good? Is that why your liners are crispy? The trollers want to know. What do you have to say for yourself? And I told you, man, don't spit on me, bro. Man, it's 2019. Who ain't using fibers? Who ain't using enhancements? Who ain't doing it, man? If you ain't doing it, then you ain't getting money the way you should be. And ain't good. You know what I'm saying? Ain't good. You feel me? Ain't good. So for me, I do instead of ain't. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I do. You know, so I do a lot of that. You know what I mean? So ain't good, so I do a lot of this. Yeah, I do that. So anyway, man, next question. This is Trey. Let's go.
It's another K-Town beat.
YouTube, it's your boy, Mr. Outliner. I'm back. I got another extra crispy tutorial for y'all today. Y'all just checked out my skit. That's Mr. Troll Your page. He always trolling, always hating. You know how they do under your comments. Somebody got something to say all the time. But I already did the haircut. You see the taper. I did the taper fade. I had to turn this into a tutorial for the crispy lineup because I'm still trying to figure out how to work my camera good. And it didn't come out right. It wasn't as clear as I wanted it to be. So I skipped over it. We here at the lineup part. He wanted me to trim his beard. He wanted to keep it kind of rough, but just trim the little hairs that's sticking out. So that's what I did. You know, he want his beard like Mr. Outliner. He want the Mr. Outliner beard. Hey, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend or tell a friend. You know how we do it. Also, I got a question for y'all. They keep saying I sound like Ice Cube. Yay. Leave that down in the comment section too. And tell me what other type of videos you want. You see this right here? I'm showing y'all where he's receding it because we doing a hairline resurrection right here. And what you want to do is make all the thicker parts the same as the lower parts, right? That's what you want to do. You want to make the thicker parts the same as the lower parts if you can without taking it too low. This is frozen stiff. That's what I use. Now I use that to lay the hair down. I keep the hair laid down. I'm showing you come across. You see where it's thin at. We start from the middle and we work our way over. In this case, it's middle to left for me. You can do middle to left, middle to right, however you want to do it. But you want to start in the middle and you want to keep that line consistently going over to that direction. Now I'm trying to bend his head down so you can see. You see where I'm putting the clipper at? Boom, I'm hitting it, I'm tapping it. He's straight, you see that? Without pushing him back. And I like to line it up with the corner of the eye, not the eyebrow. The corner of the eye, not the eyebrow. That's what you want to do. Keep it as straight as possible. It doesn't have to be super straight right now. Doesn't have to be super short right now either. But the key, the thing about it is you just want to get it in place. And you can always come back and detail it the way you need to detail it. Now, on the curve, this is a C type motion you want to do. You know they say the C motion with the stroke on the fade. But you can do that on the sides as well. I just use the corner of my blade because the corner of your blade is a pencil. That's pretty much what you're doing. You're drawing. So you're using the corner of the blade to get these things together. You see how it's coming out? And I'm using the Babless, as I always do, rose gold trimmer. That's what I use. That's my weapon of choice. There's my go-to. They're my hitters, man. They got my back when nobody else got my back. You know what I'm saying? They stay down like 4 flat tires. You know what I mean? But check it out on the beard. You don't want to go in too far. You want to bring it out, make it pop. When you don't do the back of the beard, nothing looks good. So you see that? We're hitting the back of the beard, stay on that side, do everything you need to do on that side. Come back, look at it, start from the middle again. Now, I don't recommend you going across the body like that unless you're very comfortable. I did this for video purposes. I don't even normally do this. So for video purposes, I'm just trying to show you where to place your trimmer to keep it straight. We keeping a consistent flow going across. Now you see how I came back to the side that I'm working on. That's the dominant side. I want to be on the side that I'm doing. You want to be on that side that you're doing, and you want to look at it face on. You want to kind of stand in the middle, but off to that side and look straight at it. You see what I'm doing? I'm looking straight at it. Boom, I'm hitting it. I'm going across. Like I said, it doesn't have to be super sharp at this point. Now, again, corner of the eye. Right? Not the eyebrow, corner of the eye, not the eyebrow. That's what you want to do. You see how it's coming into play? You don't have to be a sharp line because we're going to hit them with them enhancements anyway. And once we hit them with them enhancements, pow, done deal. Yay, yay. You know what I mean? That's what we're going to do. So, matter of fact, while I'm doing the Ice Cube thing, R.I.P. Nipsey Hussle. Man, we lost one, but we going to bounce back. But back to the haircut. Hit it with that C. You see how I'm doing? I'm just using the corner of that blade and I'm working it slowly but surely. I ain't trying to rush it. I ain't trying to make it super sharp. I'm okay with it. I know how to make it sharp. But right now, I just want that guide. So, and like I said, you hit the back of the beard, pull it out, keep it fresh. So the key to the sharp lineup, you want to keep everything dry. You want to have a system that you use all the time to get your lining sharp. You know what I mean? You want to make sure you keep a system. And for me, I always do middle to left or right. Then I come down and I make the line going down, connecting with the eye, the end of the eye. You know, so I have a system in how I do it, and then I do the curve on the side. You know, connecting. I start from one point. I start from the sideburn, then I connect it. You know, so that's what we do. So right here, I'm gonna show you. Boom, hit him. I already hit him. I hit him because the camera stopped, but I hit him with the spray. You see, watch what I'm doing. I'm using the card to spray exactly where I wanted to spray. I'm not trying to go over anything else. I'm using the card to spray exactly where I wanted to. Now you see that we filled in the light spots, and that's what we wanted to do. Now I come back and I hit them with the TOPPIK. You can really see what I'm doing now. See? Boom. That's what we're doing. Look at that. Iced up. We didn't make no imaginary line. That's the line I already put on them. Then look, watch what I do. Boom. You hit it. This is light work, and I got this optimizer so it disperses the fibers out evenly. Then you hit them back with the holding spray. The frozen still. Ooh, that hurt, that burn, but it's okay. A little burn to get what you want, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna love it. So boom, you come back after you do that. Then when you come back after you do that, you just tighten everything up. Now you precision. This precision time now. You know what I mean? It's no more guidelines. It's precision time. It's time to get busy. That's what we doing. Look at that. Crisp, clean. Love it, man. You know what I mean? This is what you work for. This is what you cut hair for. This is what the art is about. Making sharp lines, making sure it's geometrically even, fit, whatever you want to call it. Everything's systematic. Geometry. You know, we got it going on here. So look at that. Same line I already had. I'm not pushing them back, nothing. You saw the line before that. The line was already crispy, but when I put the enhancements on it, it made it pop all the way. That's what you use enhancements for. No matter what Mr. Troll tell you, that's what we use enhancements for. We use enhancements just for things like this. See that? Boom. Look, he can't stop looking at his haircut because he already know, man, damn, who is that? Who is this guy? You know, so I'm showing him that. Now, I can do his beard while he talking on the phone. You know, so, which is not a good idea. You know, kind of wait till your clients get off the phone. But me, man, I'm in a rush. I got things. I got other people waiting. I ain't got time to do that. So, we're going to use enhancements on the beard, too. You see the line? It's there. It's not super sharp, but it's there. He can get away with it, but he want that sauce. He want that drip. So, I give him the drip. See that? See how we spread? Boom. And it's on there. I come back and I hit it again. Look at it. See what I mean? You come back and hit it again. He iced up. Nice. Nice. Got him looking the way he wanted to look. Hit the top of his mustache too. Keep him fresh. Hey, don't forget, leave comments in the comment section. Let me know how I'm doing. Rate my haircut on a scale of 1 to 10. Let me know if I'm doing a good job. Let me know what kind of haircuts you want to see. You know what I'm saying? Maybe y'all tag Ice Cube in this thing. Tell him I sound just like him. Whatever you want to do. But I'm showing you right here again. That's why I'm putting the line. I'm not pushing nothing back. I'm not altering nothing. I hit his line right where it was. If you see that, a lot of people get up under my comments and say I did this and that. I'm showing you right here what it is. And if you watching the beginning of the video, he had concerns about his light spots on the top. So, you know, people come in with legitimate concerns and people think people don't ask for enhancements and stuff like that. People ask for these things, man, because they want their look. They might be going to a special event. They might have an important meeting. You know, an important date. They want to look their best. They want to be sharp. Their colors going to be sharp. So they want their hair to be sharp. So that's what we do. You know what I'm saying? Who wants to look less than sharp? Less than dapper? And he's dapper. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we did right here. And look at the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to make his waves pop. Because I use a technique with the water and the product that I use. Wait for at the end. I'm going to show you how to make the waves pop. After you do all this to make him look dapper, so when he walk outside, automatically he already ready. He ready to go straight to wherever he going soon as he get up out the chair. But you know, it's all about making people feel good, making people look good with their haircuts, because that's what they come to us for. That's what they come to do. So don't forget, you see I'm spraying the water right here. Don't forget to tell everybody. Don't forget to watch this. But until then, I'm out. Love, peace, and hair grease. I holla.